How to edit your profile on Slack on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to update your name, photo, and other details in just a few steps. First, open the Slack app on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on your profile picture at the bottom left of the screen. Let me show you. From there, click on Profile from the menu. At this point, your profile page will open showing your current name, photo, and details. In the next step, click on Edit to open the editing options. From there, click on Edit beside your profile picture to upload a new photo. Select an image from your computer and click on Save. At this stage, click on Edit beside the full name field and update it if needed. Once done, scroll down to find additional fields like title, phone number, and time zone. Click on each one to update them as needed. At this stage, your updated profile will now be visible to everyone in your workspace. Here's an important note. Some workspaces may restrict certain profile fields like your display name if managed by an admin. If you're unable to edit a specific field, it may be locked by your workspace settings. And that's it. If this guide helped you edit your profile on Slack, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.